hopefully, by the time na matapos ko to, mag-graduate, maging voice artist ako. Ganap na voice artist. I'm fully equipped na. Meron akong pala na ibabato. Well, hindi na may ibabato. Meron akong pala, may ibabaril. Not literally, just figuratively lang ha. Hindi po ako nagpropromote ng weaponry or anything. Basta, happy tayo. Okay? Another one, maybe the last one, is prepare for the editing. You will be more equipped kapag nag-edit ka na ng mga recordings by the time na you're doing the all voiceover. Kasi, despite kung maganda naman yung surrounding mo, or maybe halfway na maganda yung surrounding mo, despite narinig mo yung mga audio ngayon sa labas, paghandaan mo na kung paano yung post-production, kung talagang ba ito ng background music or whatnot, gawin mo pa rin. Sorry for the hair. Medyo hindi pa ako nag-wash. But it's long overdue na kailangan ko ng ihugasan.